What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Ray Baby's Realm, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a get ready with me and a Shein wig review. So it's my friend NJ's ring day. As you can see, getting your Aggie ring is a really big thing here, so I'm getting ready to go to her ring ceremony. I bought this wig for my graduation that's coming up. It's supposed to be 26 inches. Ooh. But yeah, I'm going to be taking graduation pictures. And I need to see sooner than later if this wig is hitting on something. I don't know. This seems like 26 inches, but I don't know. And it was about 100 something. I'm gonna put all the information like right here. There's 3 pins, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. And this is what the closure is looking like. And let's just pop it on. See what the fit is like. Okay, I like this color. Ow. Definitely gonna need some plucking in the front, my God. But, and this part gonna need some work too. The hair feels good. I will say my fingers are definitely running through. It's a little thin at the ends, but ooh, mama's long though. Mama is long. But look at there's some body in this though. I'm kind of excited to see what this is gonna look like. So keep on watching. Y'all, I really need to bleach these knots as well. Like, look at that. But I don't have any bleach on me. Like, I only have developer. I have this lace tint by Even in the color Natural Beige. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if it can fix this. Okay, so if you've been here before, you know that this is Miss Croatia. I pinned the front of this closure down and we're gonna get the spraying. Lord, please let this turn out good. Okay, so I think this is actually pretty good because I'm still gonna put on my bald cap and a little bit of foundation. So I'm satisfied with this tint and I'm gonna go ahead and start plucking. You can watch my Horella wig video. It shows you how I plug. I'm also gonna show a little bit of it here, but you know, check out that other video, support your girl. Okay, I'm rushing y'all, so if I'm not talking as much, that's just how it goes. I'm using this, my edge booster, to lay my edges back because I don't want it to get caught in the wig because I like my edges and I want to keep them, you feel me? I gotta take the glasses off. Like, I'm really rushing, y'all. Like, I have a horrible concept of time and I'm always late, but I literally cannot be late to this. My bald cap is on. Taking the wig off of this. So typically I put the foundation on the bald cap, but that's the purpose of the tinted lace. So I'm not putting that expensive ass Finny foundation on my bald cap all the time. But the tinted lace is kind of doing its thing. The plucking is coming through. I wish I had more time to pluck it some more, but like I said, I'm rushing and beggars can't be choosy. Okay, so clipping this back. So I'm using the Even Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray Extreme Firm Hold Supreme, or just the black can. And here we go. I'm scared, but we're gonna do this. I don't know if y'all can see me. Let me turn y'all this way. Let me grab the blow dryer. I'm gonna do it on cool. So, I mean, it's pretty sturdy. I'm scared to tug on it, but I mean, okay. I definitely would have put more because it comes out pretty light. It's not like a heavy nozzle, so less product. But I like that because you can control it better. And now I'm just taking my razor and just cutting this before I tie it down and go over it again. I'm really trying to make sure I don't cut my forehead, y'all, because that's gonna be ugly if I do. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this little silk headband or wrap just so it can melt it some more. There, it's a curl, and I'm gonna let that sit for like 5 minutes or while I do a teeny bit of makeup. Okay, actually I lied. I'm not gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna style this hair as much as I can. I already got my hot comb on. I do want to get it even flatter, so I'm just gonna part it some and hot comb it. Shedding has not been a problem for this wig. Like, other than when I plucked it, of course, because hair is coming out. But baby, I keep running my fingers through this and hair is not coming out of my fingers. I just ran my finger through it. Do y'all no hair? Like, I love that. No hair. I'm done flattening. And mama's is flat now. The wig flat, but the ass not. Y'all saw me touch the hot comb. That hurt a little bit. But I'm a thug, so I'm gonna keep it pushing. So I'm gonna take off this headband and see what she's talking about. If I can get it off. So what I don't like is that Eben wants to start acting up at the last minute. Really not here for it. So I'm just gonna take some alcohol. It's all over my forehead, like, right now. Sis, this what you wanna do? Okay, y'all, so it's nighttime. As you can see, I had to go ahead and go to my friend's ring ceremony. I had the side part. I was looking like somebody auntie. It wasn't the greatest look, but I came home and I found that the problem was that the lace tint wasn't rinsed off. So I needed to wash off the Eben lace tint thoroughly and then apply everything. Even my blue can of spray wasn't working. And I was like, what is going on? And until I had to come home and start all the way over and really pluck, really clean, really blow dry and flat iron, I found the problem, you know. It flat ironed real easy. No shedding unless you're plucking it. The fit is really loose. It's big head friendly, but it does come with some adjustable straps and stuff, so you're Gucci on that. But this hair is it. Now I will say a track came loose, but you get what you pay for. It's Shein. The inches are there. Don't tell me if this is truly 26 inches. I'm like 5'2", 5'2.5". And to me, it's giving inches, baby. So I really like it. I don't know if it can hold the curl yet, but typically, like, if you blow dry it and don't flat iron it and you curl it, the wig holds the curl better. But I'm gonna come back and go into more detail about it maybe tomorrow, because I gotta go. She's about to do her ring dunk and everything. But I'm gonna come back, y'all. I gotta go be there for my friends. So alright guys, so it's day 2 and I'm gonna be showing you guys how this wig takes heat, how it curls, and I'm gonna try to dive into my thoughts more on this wig as I'm doing all those things. I slept in the wig just like this because every time I put a bonnet or some type of head wrap on, it melts onto the lace and I gotta reapply it every single time I wake up, and I'm like, well, what's the point of putting it in a bonnet if it's just gonna be messed up? And I also apologize in advance if y'all hear partying or whatever. My neighbors, the whole complex, we're all college students, so I really can't control when it's quiet, when it's loud. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So yeah, I slept in it. I put it in a little bun, so it's a little tangly. So I'm just brush it out first. If you're very rough with the hair, you will experience a lot of breakage, and the wig is pretty thin. I want to layer it so it can frame my face better, but at the risk of losing these inches, I'm not going to do it. So before I flat iron or do anything, like I said previously, I like to wet the hair and blow dry it instead of curling it while it's bone straight from flat ironing, just because I feel like it holds the curl for way longer. Okay, so it's dry. It's a thin wig, so it don't take long. So like I said, we're gonna wand curl it. This is the Infinity Pro, just some wand curl. I probably got it from TJ Maxx or Target or something. And then this is my FHI platform flat iron. Love this thing. I don't feel like you have to ball out on a wand curler, but a flat iron, yes ma'am, you do. For your natural hair, yeah, but not for wigs. But I have it, so I use it. So I'm gonna wand curl one side and do bigger curls with the flat iron on this one, or I might just do one of each because I got places to be. So let me focus because this is hot. Purr. Okay, I'm gonna curl this one. Hold on. It's getting dark. Sun is down. What's the next line? Freezing cold. Y'all, I tried to curl it, but I burned my finger a little bit. So I'm gonna try again. I gotta pay attention up to myself and not the camera. That's really what's going on. Just gonna spin it a couple times and then wrap it back up. Let me pay attention. And then I might use the flat iron. Like, you see what a good quality flat iron do? Look at the curls. Okay, I'm gonna still do one side flat iron. I mean, one side wand, one side flat iron. And I'm gonna be back to show y'all what it look like. Okay, so this side is wand curled, this side is flat iron curled. And I don't know which side I like more. I feel like this hair holds the wand curls way better. Like, my flat iron curls are already falling. Usually I pin curl them straight after flat ironing and curling. But let me stand up. This is how it looks. I think I'm gonna brush these out just for the sake of time and make this side look more similar. I might wand curl this side a little bit, actually. I'm gonna do my makeup and come back and close out the video because I gotta go. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I decided to just tuck the hair behind my ears and let the curls fall. I combed them out so they look pretty similar now. I'm in love with the wand curls combed out, for sure. Zebra earrings from Shein. Hold on, let me grab my purse to match my little zebra purse. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you buy this wig. Let me know if this encouraged you to get a wig from Shein. And go ahead and hit that bell notification. Did you click it, baby? Hold on, did you click it? Did you click it? There you go. All right, guys, love you.